Hi, I'm Dustin from Backyard Masters, and today I'm going to be showing you our Stealth Magnum Series program. This program was designed to get the pool of everyone's dreams in ground at a very affordable price. So I'm going to dive right into the features of this pool and how it came about and how we established such a sophisticated program to have all the features that everybody wants in their yard, like I said before, at an affordable price. So on these pools, what we did was we took the most common shapes and sizes over the years and years and years of building in-ground pools, and we made pre-made kits. So these pre-made kits are already made up. So all you have to do is, if you pick any of the shapes and sizes that we have for these models, it could be bought at a much lower price than you would if you were going in-ground. Now, when you go fully in-ground, with some things that will change, your taxes will go up. It'll bring in-ground plumbing, so it'll be more permanent. So what we've been doing over the years, we've been doing a semi-in-ground where you could actually brick and paver or do decking or whatever you'd like, and actually submerge the pool into the surrounding in your yard. And what that creates is a visual of an in-ground pool. So it actually gives you the in-ground look, but again, it's not fully submerged. This is 24 inches into the ground. This is actually our most popular seller. It's a free-form shape, which is a kidney shape for better terms. It's a 14 gauge wall steel. It's actually the most versatile pool that we sell in our business today. We do kidney shapes, we do rectangles, we do ovals, we do rounds, we do Grecians, we do rounded edges on the rectangles. Sky's the limit with this program. The liner can be sunk. Usually we do a 52-inch standard height. If you want to go deeper, you can. We can put a hopper liner on it. We have different options on the top ledges. Most people will sink it halfway and they'll do a brickwork around it, but if you want to have a top ledge, you can. You can do a top ledge that can match up to decking or Trex or TimberTech, whatever you'd like. We also have 3 new options that we added to our program. We have the Sydney, which is a kidney shape with vinyl over the step. You can have a step walking down with a bench on one side. We also have a rectangle shape that has a tanning ledge on one side of the pool, and then it has a cornered step that has vinyl over the step, with the step being inside the pool. If you want to save some room on the pools, you can do an acrylic step where the step is actually molded out of the pool, so it doesn't take up any space for the smaller sizes like your 13 by 22s, 14 by 28. You could also cut your costs down on this pool, which most common packages that we carry will have a regular upper step, which is a basic step that attaches to a deck. It doesn't add any cost to the pool.